In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Pictory project with branding, an intro, and background music. We'll walk through setting up a clean, consistent brand look, adding a polished intro, and choosing background music that supports your message. By the end, your project will feel cohesive and professional without needing any extra tools. Start by opening your project's customization area in Pictory. This is where you control the overall look and feel of your video. Think of it as your creative dashboard. Branding, visuals, and audio all come together here to shape the viewer's experience. Head to the branding section. If you're building a look from scratch, create a new brand setup and add the essentials: your logo, your primary and secondary colors, and your preferred fonts. Keep your logo in a high-quality format, ideally with a transparent background so it sits cleanly on footage. Choose colors that match your existing style guides and ensure there's enough contrast for readability. If you already have a brand created, simply click on it to make updates. Swap in a refreshed logo, tweak color hex codes, or adjust fonts so titles and captions stay consistent. A quick tip: limit your palette to a few colors and stick to 2 fonts at most, one for headings and one for body text, to keep things tidy and recognizable. Next, go to the visuals section to add your intro. Upload your intro file, such as a short logo animation or a branded opening card. Keep it crisp and on brand. 3 to 7 seconds is usually plenty to set the tone without delaying your content. Use a high-resolution file that matches your project's aspect ratio to avoid letterboxing. Once the upload is finished, click Set as Intro so it appears automatically at the start of your video. Now it's time to add background music. Open the background music area and click Select from Library. Browse by genre or mood to quickly narrow down options. Instrumental tracks usually work best under dialogue because they don't compete with the voiceover. Consider the energy level: upbeat for promos and tutorials, softer for explainers or interviews. Preview a few tracks and listen for any elements that might distract from your message. When you've found your preferred music, select it, then click Save and Apply to lock it in. And that's it. Your Pictory project now carries your brand identity, opens with a clean intro, and has background music that complements your story. Keep this set up for future projects to maintain a consistent, professional style across your content.